Welcome everyone, it's a beautiful day here in Staffordshire and we're going to unwrap my Gunnera Tinctoria. It's already pushed out through the old leaves that we used to protect it over last winter, so it's already started to do its thing. So without further ado, let's get unwrapping this Gunnera. So I'll be honest, it's been a really mild couple of weeks here in the Midlands. And I've already done my banana, I did that a few days ago. I didn't expect it to put as much growth on as it actually has. I'm not complaining, not in the slightest. So if it does come into a cold night, then I'll simply just chuck one of my larger buckets over the top. Now it's not gonna kill it, of course, a frost, but what it will do is it will leave a mark on those leaves, right? So we want them leaves to look as perfect as possible. So yeah, I can't believe how good it looks for this time of year. Let me know down below if you got a Gunnera, what variety have you got? Obviously I intended and I bought this as a Mani Carter, which has those huge leaves, but obviously having grown it in the garden for a couple of years now, I now know that it's called a Tinctoria and it's not that huge one. It is a pretty good size though, to be fair. So let me know down below if you have one and what variety do you guys have. So if you enjoyed this quick video, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below as help share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. Really excited about how this bed is taking shape now. Anyway, until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.